YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time to join into the chat because I didn't tell you guys that we were gonna get started. So just drinking some more coffee. If you guys want to announce yourselves on the side, let me know you're watching, what platform you're watching on. We're streaming on Instagram, we're streaming on Twitter, and we're streaming on YouTube, of course, duh. But yeah, uh, let me know. Let you guys pile in. Yo, what's up, my man? Not much, brother. Just didn't really plan on making content today, but just one of them days. I just why not? Why not go live, kick it with you guys? It'd be nice. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit of time again, just to start piling in here because I didn't give a good heads up on when I was gonna go live. Oh man, I'm surviving off coffee today. It's crazy. Yeah. All right, 12 people. A lot of people coming, or a couple people coming in off of YouTube, a couple people coming in off of Twitter. Always happy to have you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Again, we're just going to give these guys a little more time. It's only been 1 minute, but I'm definitely looking at Bitcoin, looking at a lot of things. Went on a hike earlier today too, so just really drained. It was live earlier for like a half an hour, and then I got off live but I did tell you guys that if things started changing around, or depending on how things were looking, whether I would get back on or not. So I did decide to jump back on because, again, Bitcoin jumping up to 59. So why not talk about it? Right? So cool. Just letting people get in here, like I said. Where's everybody tapping in from? Also, let me figure out how to see who's watching on Twitter, because the Twitter comments, sometimes they come in, sometimes they don't come in. Guys, try to comment on Twitter. See if it'll show up on the side. That way I'll know, because I'm using StreamYard. But yeah. Okay, cool. We're going to start diving into this. As you guys can see, again, Bitcoin coming in at 59,000 right now, time of the video. And thought that we were going to have some kind of head and shoulders playing out here. Thought it could be a bearish pattern, right? And then Bitcoin starts ticking up, right? So a lot of people now wondering, is Bitcoin seeing some kind of a bottom here, or is this another fake out? Again, guys, we're going to talk about it. So again, just waiting on these guys a little bit longer just to start getting piled in. Just waiting right now. So yeah, happy Thursday, guys. Right? Is this the price impact that we were thinking about? We talked about Thursdays are usually days that we see some price action. Monday's a day that we see fake out. So what do you guys think? You guys think that we're going to keep trending with Bitcoin, or do you think that it's fizzling out? I definitely want to know. Also some altcoins too. There's some awesome altcoins right now that are pumping. A couple things that are pumping that we want to talk about. So just giving people a little more time just to file in off the YouTube link. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin, like I said, coming in at 59,000 and really sitting on some key support right now, right? Really sitting at some key levels. Could we have possibly seen an ascending wedge forming here? Could we possibly break down from here, create some kind of head and shoulders pattern? It's also something that could happen, right? This could happen on the 1 day. Also 7 day, looking very indecisive right now, guys. We want to see a little more bullish action with Bitcoin. We want to see this thing looking a little more positive, in my opinion. But again, we're watching this stuff. It's always live, right? Let's pull up Trading View. Why not pull up Trading View? I just have like a little Bitcoin watch party, because you guys pretty much are probably just like me anyway. You're just sitting at your houses looking at Bitcoin, or maybe sitting at work looking at Bitcoin right now, trying to figure out what's going to happen, trying to figure out, do we got some kind of support, or is it just fake news? Is this thing just going to rip right through the ground? Definitely something that we're paying attention to. Also want to know, guys, what are you buying right now? What have you been looking at? Like, are you looking at some of these smaller altcoins? Are you looking at anything on Solana? Are you looking at anything on Ethereum? Long term, let me see. Long and Green Dragon interested in your view, what your view is, bro. What is that? What blockchain is that on? Maybe I could check it out for you. What blockchain? Do you know? Is it on Solana? I think I tried to look up one of those yesterday or earlier today, and I couldn't find it. So I'm trying to figure out. Let's see. ZKYSYSC. I don't know what that's on, bro. I'm gonna try to find it for you, bro. Since you're tapped in, and since you're one of the early birds, right? One of the people that was here early. I'm not finding that here though, so I don't really know. I don't know. I don't know. You guys keep talking about memes. I don't know what that means. Like, are you talking about? Like a meme coin? Is this like a NFT? If you're gonna ask about a coin, please tell me what blockchain it's on so that I know, because I don't know. There's a lot of different blockchains at this. I don't want to be talking about the wrong project or have the wrong thing pulled up. So I just want to make sure whatever I have pulled up is the exact project that we plan on looking at. But so I'll give you a little bit of time on that. But if you guys have any coins that you are definitely looking at or that you're interested in, again, guys, let me know on the comment section on the side. Definitely looking for top meme coins right now. Buying ICP roadmap on the 10th. Nice. Okay, yeah. I mean, ICP's been around for a while. What do you think about Runes? What blockchain is Runes on? I'm not. You guys gotta let me know. Runes on what? Solana? Is it on Solana? Runes on Solana. Oh, okay. It looks like it is on Solana, right? Let me see. I'm gonna ask you right now. I'm gonna see if this is the right one that we're looking at right here. Present. Stop screen share. Start screen share. Share screen. Runes. Is this your coin, bruh? This coin, bruh? Doing this right now, bruh? Is this the one? I hope it's not the one, bruh. Bitcoin. What do you think about BTC? Okay. I don't know. I don't know what you're. No, runes are BTC meme coins. Okay. I don't know what a BTC meme coin is. What is a BTC meme coin? Bitcoin is not a blockchain that has things built on it like meme coins. So I'm not sure what a BTC meme coin is. But we could talk about Bitcoin since I'm not sure what coin we're talking about. But let's talk about Bitcoin. Sorry guys, hold on, wait a minute. I'm gonna present this, share screen. Bitcoin. Yeah, brother, I have no idea. You're like talking in Chinese over there on the side of chat. I don't know what that means, bro. I don't know. I don't know what that means, Mr. Patient. I have no clue. But again, let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. Definitely paying attention to this. This is the number one coin on my watch list right now. Definitely want to know what's going on with Bitcoin on the short term, on the long term, up to the hour, pretty much. That's why we've pretty much been watching this, man. I've been watching this like a hawk. We talked about the fact that this could be some kind of a falling wedge forming here. But we also talked about the fact that this could be a shoulder head shoulder, right? So it could be a bullish pattern or it could be a bearish pattern. It's really going to take some time to play out. We did talk about that, but we did also talk about, again, Thursdays being decision-making days in the market. So definitely interested to see what is going to happen within the next few hours. I do think that this price action probably will take place today. Maybe we'll see some kind of pump, or again, maybe we'll see things start heading down again. This trend is already starting to break bear. We created this rising wedge right here on some of these smaller time frames, and I think that this is going to shoulder head shoulder, and it's going to start capitulating down. That's just my point of view. Again, I could be wrong, right? But we did talk about it happening right here too. We created like a similar type of thing, right? We created a flagpole, bear flag, same thing, bear flag, trended sideways, had a little fake out, same type of deal. We dropped down. So Bitcoin is still not looking too hot right now. So definitely gonna have to be checking on Bitcoin every few hours for sure. This stream's not going to be too long. I'm trying not to do these 3-hour streams anymore. Just trying to keep to like maybe 20-30 minutes. So again, guys, there's 80 coins that you guys want to talk about, that you want me to mention on the channel right now, or that you want me to look at, definitely let me know. You need to let me know by letting me know what the coin is and what blockchain it's on. That's the only way that I'll be able to pull it up. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to pull it up. So yeah. But again, Bitcoin isn't going to be watching. Then let's look at some of these smaller. Let's actually look at some of these smaller blue chip coins, right? Like Ethereum, right? Ethereum's coming in at 29 right now, still sitting under 3,000. That's solid. Solana also coming in at $138. That's not a bad price range. But again, can we see a cheaper Solana? I personally do think that we'll see a cheaper Solana, just in my opinion. Yeah, just in my opinion, that's what I think. I think that Solana will be a little bit cheaper, boys. I think if that we just spend a little bit of time in the market and we just wait a little while longer, I think that this is a shoulder head shoulder, and that this will probably break to the down position. And somebody actually asked me and on my last video that I posted, they were like, Jay, you should talk about these things before they pump. I'm like, dude, I literally make all my videos real time, guys. So it's not like I'm looking at things and then I'm like, oh, okay. It's like literally I just turn on the camera and I'm like, hey, what's up? It's your boy Crypto Jay. And then I just kind of get into it, because again, there's always going to be coins that are pumping, guys. There's always going to be things that are bullish in the market. You just got to be in the market and paying attention to know where the volume is going. So again, I'm looking at coins like Solana. I'm looking at things like Ethereum, because those are the coins that I'm going to need to be buying into some of these other positions as well. We can talk about Mu. I see somebody's asking about Mu in the side chat, so we could pull up Mu. Again, if you guys have any other coins that you want me to talk about, we're going to talk about them today. So, sure, why not? Let's pull up Mu, right? Let's see. Mu coin. Mu on Solana. So Mu sitting at 344 million market cap at the time of the video. And let me pull up the chart. It doesn't look like I'm sharing the correct screen right now. Let me share the right screen. Mu, share. Okay, as you guys could see, yeah, we talked about Mu a couple times on the channel. Actually, as you guys could see right here, it had its repeat, right, of this high right here, and then it's just been kind of correcting down. It was, created a bear flag, and it corrected down even more, and now it kind of created this, cup and handle, hopefully another cup and handle, but it really broke down already. This coin is really sitting on some key support right now. I'm not too sure of the future of this coin. But this trend on this chart is definitely pointing down. It's not showing any signs of a trend reversal quite yet. It's possible, but it's not too probable right now. Time will tell with a coin like Mu, again, if it's going to be able to survive. But if you're looking for a zone of accumulation, I mean, it looks like we touched once here and here, so maybe it might be bouncing off of some of the support. Might not be a horrible entry point, but again, I would like to see a little more positive price action with that thing in order for me to feel like really, really good about it. So that's just me though. It could be a great project. This could be, the best time to accumulate. And I'm just kind of looking at it a little early. So we did also talk about coins like Bowden coin and some of these other election coins that we were hoping would see some positive upside, but it seems like Bowden coin's starting to also correct down below some of this support down here. This Bollinger Band right here is starting to crack down below it, and we talk about, I like to keep this thing trending above this orange line. So, we've seen it trend over here above this orange line. It's, good zones of accumulation when it's like touching in and out, but right now, the fact that we just broke out and then we're breaking back down, it might be an indicator that we just have more sell off. You could see, this was kind of like a bear flag, and then I don't know, it's a lot of bearish indicators going on a lot of these coins, and that's again because Bitcoin is just looking a little bit funky. Also, want to talk about WIF, because WIF, of course, one of the biggest projects on Solana right now still. And WIF is a coin that we talked about pretty early on the channel, and we watched it shoot all the way up to like 5 billion. And now, as you guys can see, WIF coming in at $2.7 billion with 135,000 holders. That is absolutely crazy. That's a lot of holders, man. I mean, a lot of these coins really have a lot of holders, and those are some of the coins that I really expect to have a good future, or at least a decent chance of recovering after the Bitcoin consolidation. I think that they have a good chance of making a comeback. But again, always speculative, right? Always speculative. So those are just kind of some of the coins that are on Solana that I'm kind of looking at right now. We could check out also the base chain. Let's see what's going on base. If anything is going on base. Definitely want to know. Also want to open up this little Twitter chat. Wow, watching us live on Twitter too. I didn't know that. Okay, cool. So I got Twitter open also. Great. So yeah, let's see. I think somebody was asking me about this coin the other day, this Benny coin or whatever. Okay, here's a decent trend, right? This is not a horrible entry point. Maybe this is a coin that might do pretty decent, coming in at number 9 today on Dex Tools on the 1 hour chart. Still trading above some support. Looking like we could have a possible breakout for this little Betty coin here. What do you guys think? You guys like Betty coin, or you guys think that this is possibly not the best coin? Let's look at the audit also, make sure that this is even a safe project, right? You gotta definitely be in the habit of doing that before we look at these coins. And this stuff is not financial advice, guys. It is just don't like this, don't like this. It is just, you know, your homie Crypto J telling you what's trending. Other risks, yes. This has some risk to it for sure. So I don't know if this is something I'd want to get involved in. Again, we're just kind of looking and seeing what's trending in the top 10 right now. So don't go out and buy anything, boys. We just looking, we just doing some research. This is how I do my research, right? We all have to do our research. So let's looking at Boomer again. Boomer's still cranking, man. Boomer's sitting at 33 million market cap. It's a coin that we talked about the past couple days. And 1.17 million people, 1.17 million people are holding Boomer right now. That's absolutely crazy, man. I'm actually pretty surprised. I think this is the best performing airdrop I've ever seen, because usually when coins get airdropped, they get sold. Similar to like when coins get pre-launched, they get sold as soon as it launches. Same thing when these coins get airdropped. Usually people just take their profit because they just see it as free money, and then everybody else takes their profit shortly after that because they feel like, oh, I'm just watching my money go down and down and down. So um, yeah, I mean, Boomer is definitely a coin that I am looking at. I'm paying attention to at the time. Also, let's see any other coins. Cat, Brit, Brett. Man, Brett is just slowly going down, right? Honestly, I'm not sure what is going to happen with Brett, man. I'm really concerned about this project and its future. This thing could possibly retest some way lower lows, but well, try to fight up any project. I really don't want to fud up any projects. I'm not trying to make you guys feel like, you know, I'm talking badly about your project. I'm just giving you guys honest opinion based off of what I'm seeing. Of course, always do your own research and all that stuff. Here's another coin that I've seen being talked about a lot. Oh, yikes. I guess it's already seen its shine, right? And it had a pre-launch. I don't like coins that have pre-launches. They just tend to, like I said, go to the floor. We just talked about that like a minute ago, how a lot of these coins that are pre-launched, they just don't do very well. They tend to go to the floor. Let's see if we have any other coins that we might want to look at. We were also looking at some of these Chronos coins. As you guys could see, some of them are pumping huge, right? Some of these coins are pumping huge, and this is one thing that we talked about that somebody in our last stream had brought to my attention. That, dude, Jay, are you watching some of these Chronos coins? They're absolutely running crazy. Can we see Chronos start to pick up? You know, is CRO coin a coin that is good to be accumulating right now? Not really sure. Kind of highly speculative, but a lot of good performing things on this blockchain also. So I'm looking at this one. I'm looking at a lot of this stuff. Again, guys, I want to know what you're looking at though. So let me know in the side chat what you guys are looking at. And we could cover some of those coins. I got to get on a better schedule of when I'm going to do these lives, because we got to just get more heads in here. We just got to get more heads in here. So maybe, again, we'll just go back to Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today is Thursday, and I already did go live one time today, but maybe I need to set a time. What do you guys think is the best time for me to go live so that you guys can all be involved, right? So you guys think I should go live at in the morning? Should I go live in the evenings? What is probably the best time to go live? Definitely want to know that too. But yeah, I do appreciate all you guys that tuned into the channel. I don't want to make this stream too long, so I just wanted to kind of pop in here, talk about Bitcoin a little bit, talk about some altcoins, and I'm gonna probably go live maybe tomorrow, or again maybe on Tuesday. I'll definitely post it so that you guys will know. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.